Okay, go on now with the use of the past simple in English grammar. We use the past simple for any action that took place in the past, and it doesn't mean that the past should be indicated by a time expression like yesterday, last week, or 2 years ago, or we just understand from the context of the sentence that the sentence and the verb of that sentence is a past tense, like in this example. My grandfather was a soldier in the War of Moroccan Independence. Well, I'm talking to you, and you know my age, okay? So when I tell you something about my grandfather, it means that it's a long time ago, all right? That's number one. That's the first sign that I am talking about a past event. Then there is in the sentence another clue, another sign that shows to me that I'm talking about an event that took place in the past, the War of Moroccan Independence. That's a long time ago, all right? So I know in 1956. So it means that I am not talking about a present time event. I'm talking about the past. And here I don't have a time expression, but I know that it's past from the meaning of the sentence. Okay? Now, there is another use of the past simple. We use it in conditional type 2. In conditional type 2, we use if plus a past simple verb, and here you would use would. So if I lived near my office, I would be in time for work. If you knew him, you wouldn't say that. If she asked me, I would help her. I wish I had a memory like yours. All these sentences are using the simple past. What do they mean? They mean I am talking about a situation that does not exist in reality. It means I am talking about a dreamlike situation. I'm talking about an imagined situation. I just imagine, I just wish. It means that it's not true to a fact. It means that if I lived near my office, actually I don't live near my office. Actually I live very far from my office, but I have a dream. The dream is to live near my office. To express that idea, I use the simple past. So this simple past with if gives me the meaning of an event, of an action that is contrary to reality, that is a dream. Okay? And now I move on to the past continuous. We study first its form, and then the spelling, and then the use. The form. How do we use the past continuous? You remember your present continuous. Well, it's going to be the same form, except now that we are going to use the verb to be in the past. He was walking instead of he is walking. Okay, he was walking to the station at 10 this morning. And I'm telling you this event in the evening. So it's a story that happened this morning. But we are in the evening. We are at 9 o'clock in the evening, and I am telling you what happened this morning of today. So he was walking to the station at 10 this morning. The past continuous is formed with the past tense of the auxiliary be plus your main verb plus ing. In other words, you use was, I was, and he and she and it was, we and you were and they were, plus your verb, like here, walk, and you add the ing. I was walking, I was not working, was he working in the question form. The spelling. For the spelling, you are going just to see the rules of the present continuous, and they are the same. The use. Now you have to be attentive, more attentive, because here we are going maybe to add some more information about the use of the past continuous. So we use the past continuous in some situations. What are they? We'll answer this question shortly.